Okay, today we're going to look at this house. Oh, hi.
Hello, welcome to this high floor 3-bedroom fully furnished unit at 17 residences. Welcome.
Wow, thank you for having us. So today we are going to look at a different house. Yeah, first thing you will notice, this house is fully furnished. Comes with all the furnitures. Yeah, and the design is different from the other type of 3-bedroom fully furnished unit. You'll notice that the main living hall is actually a bit more narrow, and you have one balcony from the front. So this is what we call an intermediate unit. All right. So the owner has already installed some designer lightings, fan curtains, and yeah. So in front of us here is actually the living room area. You got a sofa, ottoman, single seater, coffee table, and also a built-in TV cabinet frame. All right. So this way you can, you have this bracket down here. You can put your TV on it with the wire and conceal it all. So it's very tidy. Yeah. So actually this thing here, it was all done by the owner to bring it up. Originally, it's supposed to be on the floor down here. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. The next thing is that you notice there's a curtain with a railing. If you don't like the sun, you can always cover the daylight curtain. If not, cover both. So these are all the options you can do. Alright, so the next thing is that let's go and look at the balcony. In front of us is KLGCC facing north. Alright, on the left is Tamanton, Glomac, the MRT station and the Sprint Highway, and then on the right is actually Mount Kiara and then KL already. Yeah. Okay, so now we will turn behind. Yeah, Ma. Hi, so now we are going to look at the back of this. Alright, so very nice simple lighting on top of the dining table. You have a 4-seater, quite nice chairs with a cushion also. Yeah, and then you also have a mirror here. Hey, look, there's a mirror. Alright, and what we will notice now is that the kitchen is actually concealed. So it's behind of this wall. Yeah, so you see the door is here, there's this wall, and then it's behind the wall. So the reason they do this is because the people that's in the kitchen do not need to see the people that's outside. You can fully focus on your kitchen. Alright. So fridge, you have a spare table to do your preparations. Owner has installed a fan also, and then as usual you have a lot of cabinets, a 3-piece induction cooker, alright, and a 2-piece sink. Yeah. So behind of it is actually the yard. Owner's installed a grill already, and then you have a washing machine, in, out, and you have this. Yeah, retractable clothes rack. Okay, don't need it, just fold it in and done. Yeah, so now let's go and see the rooms. Alright, so the first room on the left is actually the master bedroom. You have a king size mattress and a divan at the bottom. Designer bedside table, ceiling height curtain, blackout curtain, the front and the back. Next to the window is the daylight curtain, it's called sheer. Alright, so you have the aircon also. This is a 1.5 horsepower aircon. You have a study table. See this thing here? This is actually for you to put your PC. So you can put your PC and the wire can go in there. So it's actually a PC table already. Right? And then you have another spare this bedside table. You can put it on the other end if you want. We just put it here so that it doesn't block the curtain. You have one chair, and then you have 2 full height built-in wardrobe for the master bedroom. Alright, and then next to it you have the bathroom. Yeah. So you have this shower screen. So if you want to shower, you can just close it, and then the water doesn't have to wet the whole place. Yeah. And then you have a mirror. Alright, so now let's go and see the second bedroom. Yeah, this is what I would say this is the third bedroom. Yeah, but since it's next to the master bedroom, so we just show you first. Yeah, we have a single bed down here. Okay, bedside table, blinds. These blinds you can actually open because it's alternate. So if you alternate, the light comes in. If you alternate, it's closed. Alright, 3-panel wardrobe. Yeah, and also aircon. Alright, so after that you have the common bathroom. Yeah, notice that there isn't a shower screen here, so if you want, you can always install. Yeah, otherwise you have the WC sink and also a mirror. So this thing actually comes with a water heater. It's on top of there. Yeah, this is the button. You on one, you on for the whole house. Alright, and this is the third room. This is the third room and it's bigger than the second room. You can comfortably fit a queen size bed with a divan, 3-panel wardrobe, and also another bedside table with the other sheer blinds, alternating blinds, aircon, lights and fan. Okay, so the last thing is that you have this special part here where you can put some of your files or your designer plants, decoration down here if you want, and you can also put it this side here if you want. Yeah, so with this, this brings an end. So thank you for showing us, Lisa.
Thank you for viewing the unit.
Yeah,
If you're interested to buy, just give me a call. Lisa here from 17 Residences.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'll go first. Alright, okay, bye bye.